Okay, so you've missed it. Sorry, mate. Right, excellent. Well, okay, mate. Let's try again. So I'm on the 31 now. Let's do this one instead.
And then we can go back to playgrounds.
Oh boy. Playing it on these video cameras, yeah. Well, I just have to get a new one.
No?
It's nothing that major. I'll pause it a bit later. Oh yeah, sure. Sorry about mate. My bad. Yeah. Yeah, well, I was just trying to film the engine bit again because my video camera gone a bit black. It's gone a bit funny. Thanks. This was my 2020. Oh, sorry. I had it since end of 2022, so good survivor, isn't it?
I don't know about cameras, but my husband does.
Ready to go? You ready?
Yeah, so just gonna film this stretch of the video, the stretch of the Loco now. But
Close it? Leave it.
well, I had the video camera since the intro. I'm not that disappointed though. This one, the Linux, yeah.
Stay on the side, you pick the side.
I'm just looking at it down there as well. That's in better condition there, this one. It's got that, and that's over here, it's got not smoking this carriage. What sort of photography do you specialise on?
It's all the trains and everything, really.
That's an unusual road sign.
We're going. Look, it's a steep part. Mommy, it's all she's here. Do you want me to close the window now?
You know, don't want another. It's not the end of the world for me though, because you know I've got spare video cameras at home. Not too bad, isn't it? Even I've got 2 batteries left, but you can hold on to it, finish this filming off and set the essential off. Makes it fair, doesn't it? Yeah. Do you know which was? Do you know?
It's digital, not film.
Yeah, it's filming digital as well. Well, I've done most of the filming of Didcot anyway, so. And my friend Joe's got a similar camera I got as well. And besides, that's not too bad. He's no longer using his video camera; he's using his normal camera now. Makes it fair, doesn't it? But hey, like I said, it's not the end of the world for some people, isn't it? It's just the way it is. You have video cameras, people can log after the most, and it just goes a bit funny, isn't it? What?
Andrew's thinking of going on to the phone completely.
Really? Alright. I guess it makes it more sensible, isn't it?
Well, I've got that with me all the time.
Yeah, I didn't mean to guard a bit. I was just trying to give him a visual from the engine, so what turn going on. But yeah, unfortunately, I left my other video camera at home. I normally have two, right? One is the one I'm having now, and the other one's my backup. Just in case the other one fails. And besides, it's not the end of the world when you have video cameras forever, isn't it?
I don't know.
Because it's just the way it is. You have them think you can have them for think they can behave themselves and everything, but sometimes it's just not the end of the world quite easily, isn't it?
I really enjoy photography.
Yeah. Anyway, just have a look at the get a few more shots of the engine before I have to go back up. It's not the end of the world, honestly. It's just one of those things, really. These things do happen, don't they? These video cameras, don't they? You can't blame yourself for that, isn't it? Yeah, well, sorry about that, mate. Oh. Oh well, let's give us a few shots of this, and then we'll make our way back up. So we've got some on video camera and some on camera. Since oh, sorry. Yeah, I'll feel this one going away then. There we go. Nope, you can go ahead now. I just want to feel this one going away, leaving the station. See you in a bit. Yes. Lovely, jolly.